Hello everyone, this is Trayman1993. Got a little bit of an update here. So, just working on this Proto 2000 SD9. Try to fix these drive shafts here. Having like a stupid arcing problem though. It was just kind of crazy though. But still hookups. I hooked up some wires onto the circuit board. Also got a new circuit board for the Lachlan GP40 I'm going to be working on, which is right here. I recently got for BachmanTrains.com on the parts department. And NW2 switcher. I still need to put a light bulb right here, but I still need to fix it. Yeah, if I get the light bulb, I think it will work though. Anyway, so we'll have to find that out, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this vid. Take care, have a good one. And happy Thanksgiving to all of you. And stay safe.